Mato comes from a Nepalese word for mud. Our products are inspired by nature, whether it be patterns, designs, or raw materials we use for our production. Our mission is to provide quality earthy products, which makes you feel connected to nature or connected to yourself. Mato's philosophy was founded on the three major pillars: sustainability, spirituality, heritage, and ethnicity has been our main core factors for our product development and what we are trying to do with Mato. We're trying to get influences from streets of Kathmandu, from foothills of Himalayas to Western world.